This, ladies and gentlemen, is the holy grail of trading Solana meme coins. With this particular method that I'm about to teach you and show you, you are number one, going to avoid losses, and you are going to have precision, especially when it comes to timing your entries. So when it comes to finding meme coins to trade, right, you basically need to be able to identify meme coins that are worth investing in. And this is one of the reasons why you have to use the best filter. So I am going to be showing you the Bullx filters that you need to utilize, especially when number one, highlighting and identifying the meme coins that you need to be able to trade. Number two, I'm going to teach you how to properly time your entries, what time frame you're supposed to use when finding your entries, and what type of trading indicators you are bound, or rather expected, or rather you're supposed to use. Then number three, I'm going to show you how to avoid any losses. No meme coin rag pull is ever going to affect you if you use this method. So if you guys are interested in making a lot of money trading meme coins, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and watch this episode until the very end. Number one, you need sophisticated trading bot. Right now, in front of you, you are looking at Sniperoo.app. This is a very good, amazing Solana sniper trading bot which does crazy things. The goodness about this amazing bot is you are able to have a trailing stop loss and a stop loss. So in case you guys are wondering, basically, a trailing stop loss differs from a stop loss due to the fact that it is based on a percentage rather than a fixed amount, and it adjusts as the stock price rises. So the reason why we are using Sniperoo to trade is because of the amazing features that it has. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be incorporating our Sniperoo trades in Bullx. So you're going to be using Bullx for your charting, your discovery of meme coins, but you are going to be depositing your funds in the Sniperoo trading bot. And if you use the link in the description, by the way, my referral link is in the description. So full disclaimer, if you use my referral link, I'm going to have a little bit of a kickback because you guys are receiving a lot of powerful information which is going to help you make a whole lot of money. So what you need to do is deposit your trading funds in Sniperoo. So once you click the link in the description box below, right, make sure you create your account, make sure you deposit money in your wallet, and once you add the extension to your browser, you're going to be able to see this blue feature right over here. It's just basically Sniperoo. It helps you to sort of get in and out of trades. As you can see, this section right over here is Sniperoo. So you're going to be trading and buying all your meme coins via Sniperoo. You get my point? So the biggest difference is your money at the moment is in Bullx. So what's going to happen is when you incorporate Sniperoo, right, the funding is going to come from Sniperoo. The reason that is very important is because the features that I'm talking about are going to be executed via Sniperoo. This is one of the reasons why you have to have your funds in your Sniperoo as soon as possible, and you are going to be utilizing a trailing stop loss. The trailing stop loss is going to allow you to sort of, once you find an entry, right, you're basically not going to be affected by any rag pull. So you're going to have a stop loss, and you are also going to have a trailing stop loss. So a trailing stop loss is going to be very helpful for you, especially after you figure out and pick an entry. So once you figure out and pick an entry, right, the trailing stop loss is going to safeguard whatever profits you're having, and the stop loss is only going to kick in after you do like a 1x, a 2x, a 3x, just like you can see right over here. So my trailing stop loss is set at a 20%, while the stop loss is set for what do you call this, for like you can always adjust it here. You can put 30% etc. So as you can see, my initial trailing stop loss when I find an entry is going to be about 20%, and my stop loss at a 2x or a 10x can easily be adjusted just like that. So This information is going to allow you to be unbeatable because number one, how are you going to lose? If number one, you are able to properly time your entries. The reason why I'm saying with this method, you'll be able to properly time your entries and you'll be able to use Sniperoo and avoid any losses. A trailing stop loss is far superior than a regular stop loss when it comes to meme coins. So there's no way you are ever going to lose. There's no way you're ever going to be rag pulled by any situation. Okay, and Sniperoo is ultra fast. I want you to experiment and use Sniperoos for your entries and your exits. Man, the execution speed is crazy. Anyway, do your own due diligence on Sniperoo. It has got many advantages, but right now I'm just going to focus on these tips and tricks, especially if you want to have a bulletproof type of meme coin trading strategy. Okay, number one, let's use this random chart right over here because it was trending yesterday and whatever. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to a bigger time frame. 15-minute time frame. Okay, so it just recently started popping and it recently started gaining momentum. So obviously it just recently bonded and it's beginning to go crazy. So in order for you to figure out the best entries is number one. Okay, let me take it back a little bit because you guys are obviously confused right now. So first of all, let's talk about the filters that I'm using, because filters are going to allow you to sort of identify meme coins to invest in. So what you're going to be looking at is the about to graduate filter, and you're going to go to pump.fun. So in order for you to adjust your volume, your market cap, and your token edge, and by the way, the reason why we're concentrating on these things is because we are only looking for high volume and high demand type of trades. So what we are concentrating on is volume and time, and we're also going to be dealing with a little bit of psychological levels like that. So mostly what I am interested in is high volume. Okay, so go to pump.fun, figure out the bonding curve. So in this particular instance, the bonding curve required to migrate to Radium is about 59,000 US dollars, which is equivalent to about 60,000 US dollars. So boom, 60,000 US dollars, which is the bonding curve threshold, divided by a factor of 2, that's going to give you about 30,000. So I'm going to be looking forward to 30,000 volume market cap, and my market cap minimum value should be about 30% from the bonding curve threshold. So I'm going to put it at 45,000 US dollars. So as you can see right over here, we are receiving something which is popping up. Let me just, am I able to, okay, let me get back to that. So yeah, let me do this. Okay, so this is a very good example of something popping up. So we're going to pretend that we are trading this coin, right? So going back to the filters, number one, the volume should be half of the bonding curve threshold. The market cap should be about 30 to about 25% from the bonding curve threshold, and the token edge should be about 2 minutes. So these types of trades, or rather these filters, are going to allow you to only see coins that you are going to be trading for a maximum of about 20 minutes. Of course, there are going to be situations where all of a sudden it does very well, you get lucky and maybe you do 1000x, but those are going to be rare occasions. So in this case, right, let's do a practical example of this one. So this one was created a minute ago, and this one is looking like it's definitely going to do extremely well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the 15-minute time frame, and we're about to sort of get in and snipe and do all those things. So remember, our bonding curve is about 60,000 US dollars. So before it actually hits the bonding curve, we need to snipe it. So right now, it's actually already migrated. So due to the fact that I was talking to you guys and I was, chatting etc, I've missed this particular trade, but I would have gotten in less than 1 minute of it being created. I would have gotten in at around 12,000 US dollars. I would have already done a 3x. So what's going to happen is when it gets released, like it's getting released right now, and by the way, I'm on a 15-second time frame. That's how crazy it is. So I am also using a trading indicator called a VWAP. A VWAP just means volume weight aggregated price indicator. So remember what I told you, that I'm mostly concentrated on high volume type of coins. So what we're going to do is we're going to be utilizing the VWAP. So once the price hits the VWAP, okay, it's going to come back down like that. Boom. It's going to be ranging like that, and then it's going to continue pushing up. Okay, so due to the fact that the migration threshold is around 60,000 US dollars, right? In order for this person to make money, right, they have to take it to about 130,000 US dollars. That's where it's going to go. Okay, so right now we are beginning to see early signs of us using the VWAP. So I'm expecting the price to sort of go to the VWAP. So basically the VWAP is this yellow line. It's gonna hit close to about 33,000 US dollars. Okay, so at some point perhaps it's gonna go drop, touch the VWAP, then continue pushing. So right now it actually has got some very good momentum, and remember, you already got in at 30,000 US dollars for the sniping before it hit the bonding curve. So already, if you invested in this trade using my filters, you would have made money, and the price came close to the VWAP. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be trading in and out, scalping in and out as soon as it hits the VWAP. And remember what I told you, this guy's aim is just for him to sort of make sure that the price goes to about 120, and then he rag pulls if he's gonna rag pull. So this was a very good entry right over here. It reached the VWAP, so there's gonna be another retest of the VWAP. So right now the VWAP is adjusting. So it was around, close to about 35. Now it's adjusting up. It's now close to about 51, 52 etc. So boom, you're just waiting for the price. You exit, you wait for the price to come back down etc. So in the meantime, right, remember you have already set up your Sniperoo to have a trading stop loss of about 20%. So what's going to happen? Boom, check this out. The price is already going crazy like crazy. This is one of the reasons why I'm telling you guys, with my methods, you cannot lose. This is happening in front of your eyes, and right now I'm actually not even focused, but we're able to theoretically print a whole lot of money. So if you entered right over here when you go launch right at around 20k, you would have made a 6k right in front of your eyes. Of course, we're going to see like another retracement. It's going to come back down. However, if I were you, if I was trading this, I would have already exited right now, because it has already reached my threshold of about 100x, which is, like reaching 120. So remember, in order for you to figure out where these rag pullers are making money, it's very simple. Just simply multiply the bonding curve by about 2. If the bonding curve threshold is around 60,000 US dollars, then you should be safe, and you're eventually going to see the price reach around 120,000 US dollars. These guys don't really want to invest a lot of money etc. So they're just looking for like a quick 30%, 60% of whatever amount of money that they are using. You get my point? So in order for us to like figure out how much Solana they sort of go in, let's say for example you've got about 100 Solana. So let's go to the bundler calculator, and let's say so submit. Oh damn, that's incorrect. So let me do that, and then we submit. All right, so let's say for example you've got 100 Solana. Where is 100 Solana going to take you? So okay, let's do 200 Solana. So let's bundle it up and we see what's happening. So 200 Solana roughly is going to take you to about 33,000 market cap. All right, so if you use 200 Solana, you're barely going to make any profit. Okay, but if you use, let's say for example, 400 Solana, so yeah, so if you use about 400 Solana, it's going to take you to about 62. So what does this mean? It means that in order for somebody to sort of make profit, right, by self bundling, they need to have about 400 Solana investing. And this is what this guy had. He had about 400 Solana in the get go. He was able to bond. And now, boom, check this out. By the way, we missed another entry. Remember what I was telling you, right? Using the VWAP, just wait for the price to come back down to the line. Okay, this was the second entry. If you entered here, you would have made this money right over here. This was your profit. And with the retracement coming through, you've already got your trading stop loss and you already have your stop loss. So you cannot lose. Take a look at this. This is an amazing trade. Even though it only reached 150,000 US dollars in terms of market cap, you already made more than 3x. So this right over here, as soon as you saw it come up on your your filters, you invest. Don't even wait for it to sort of bond. You already got your money. You sort of get out due to the fact that you've got a trading stop loss and you re-enter right over here. You've already made a 4x in this particular session and you're good. And there's also like a probability of it going higher. So I'm not even going to waste time looking at why this thing is pumping, because I already know it is a high volume type of play. With a high volume type of play, you're already expected to do very well. So as you can see in real time, theoretically speaking, if you invested in this one, you would have already made a 5x. Guaranteed. And this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, if you use Sniperoo and you use a trailing stop loss and a stop loss, how are you going to be able to lose? You tell me. How is it possible to lose? So as soon as you get Sniperoo, right, use the filters that I told you. Use the formula that I gave you. You know, half of the bonding threshold curve value, boom, that's going to be your volume, your minimum volume. Your market cap minimum volume is going to be 30% to the threshold right over here. And put 2 minutes. Take a look at how this amazing play happened, and this was about 9 minutes ago. Now take a look at how the price is going crazy, my guy. This is absolutely crazy. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, I know you really hate me. Maybe you hate the sound of my voice, but boom, mathematics is mathematics. You have to understand what motivates people to like do certain things. You have to understand how the gameplay is played, and this is one of the reasons why I'm giving you the bundler calculator. I'm giving you the formulas, the madness to this science. There's actually some logic behind this madness. You get my point. Now take a look at this. It's really happening in front of our eyes. Now here comes the rug pull. The rug pull is going to happen anytime soon. So do not fall in love with these coins, because they're eventually going to rug pull. Donald Trump official meme coin is sort of rug pulling. Okay, everything is basically crazy when it comes to meme coins. But if you use the right proper set of tools, you cannot lose. Okay, and once you configure out your grid, your 2x, your 10x, you guys, let me not even waste time. So what are you supposed to do? So do this right now. If you enjoyed this theoretical trade of ours, I want you to click the link to Sniperoo. I do not own Sniperoo. I'm not even affiliated to Sniperoo, okay? I don't even know the team, etc. But I understand and I enjoy this product. This product is absolutely amazing. Just like the way that I enjoy Bullx product. It's a very amazing type of product, etc. I love it. You know, it really helps my trading journey. And I really believe that a lot of people are going to benefit off of it. And remember, investing in cryptocurrency, meme coins is extremely risky. Anytime there can be a hack, things can happen. So please be very careful. Only invest what you are willing to lose. So more of the story, click on my referral link, go to your wallet as far as Sniperoo is concerned, deposit some funds, and then be able to trade. I already gave you the filters. I already gave you how to find the entries. you already know how to use a VWAP. A VWAP is a very underrated indicator. The reason why I love a VWAP, because it utilizes the aspect of volume. The higher the volume and the more your indicator is correlated to the volume, the more accurate your trades are going to be. Now, take a look at this. This only took 12 minutes. In 12 minutes, you could have easily done a 10x if you entered around 20,000 US dollars once we received the filter, once we saw the pop-up as far as this particular trade is concerned. So now take a look at this. Remember what I told you, right? I've been preaching to you guys at these psychological levels: 100K, 250K, 500,000, $1 million, 5 million, 12 million. These really, really play a crucial role, especially when it comes to doing your technical analysis. So while you're using the VWAP, make sure you understand the psychological levels and how you can play them. So if you guys have got any other questions for me, please drop them in the comment section below. I know you really like the information that I'm giving you, because nobody gives you formulas like this. Nobody breaks it down like this, because the way that I decipher it, if you're not able to understand what is happening, then I do not know how you guys are going to be able to be successful trading meme coins. The way that I break it down, I really make it so simple for you to always win each and every day. With that said, check out the link in the description. Make sure you get Sniperoo, and let me know how much you're going to be winning, and let me know how easy it's going to be profitable. And never ever lose money, because you're going to be utilizing a trailing stop loss and a stop loss in each and every trade. All right, so you guys have been awesome. Talk to you a little bit later. I'm signing off. Bye.